Meredith, and I'm just going to come and tell you how to work with the winter thread. There it is. And we talked about doing unchaining it, so because it's a chained thread. So what that means is this thread is made up of little loops that connect to the next one. But if you get hold of the end, you just pull just enough and it'll start unchaining on itself. There we go. So you can see it's got a whole bunch of crazy stuff, but you just keep pulling. Hold on. Let me clip this off. Sometimes you just gotta mess around with it until, there we go. Now I've got it really going. So you can see that it's chained and you can kind of almost watch it unchain. So you just keep pulling and pulling, pinch on what's unchaining and just keep pulling. Now look what I've ended up with. I've ended up with a strand that's really super long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I'm gonna show you how to work with it. So I'm gonna, just because of time, I'm gonna just put a waist knot in. Shelly let us use her canvas as a sample. She loves turtles. Okay, so you can see now that it's all unchained and nice and flat and very shiny. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go on a perfect diagonal. And if you just kind of hang on to it, I kind of hold here and then make my next stitch on a diagonal, perfect diagonal. And then I kind of hold on to it underneath to keep it taut. And then I hold from the top and keep it taut. And that gives it a really nice, smooth texture. So if it's a longer stitch, you can even go over it twice if you want to. The great part about this is the winter, it says it has 10 yards on it. And so when you unravel it like this, really, you've almost got about 30. So it really unchains, but you can see how nice and smooth that is. Let me know if you have any more questions.